really thought I was killing that. Oh my gosh. I'm starting to realize some of y'all are not as much of good friends as you think you are. Let me tell you why. I'm tired of scrolling down my social media timeline and seeing people who think they can sing when they are terrible. When they are absolutely terrible. And I feel like as friends, we should be very honest with our friends. Now, like I said, we should be honest, right? So tell your friend that they can't sing. Please, tell them that they cannot sing. Because I see it on, like I said, I see it on my timeline all the time. Where you see people talk about, yeah, listen to my SoundCloud, about to drop an album. And I'm like, you're not enough friends, you know. Because your friends would have told you sucked. Now, I'm not telling you to just be like, yo, shut up, you're terrible, you're garbage. No. Like, I feel like if your friend is not that good in singing, like, find their craft that they're actually really good in. Because, you know, everybody has something that they're super duper good in. And, like, you know, you tell your friend, like, hey, you know, I think you're really good at this. Like, why don't you pursue that more? And they'd be like, oh, no, like, my passion is singing. And you know what? This goes for rappers, too. Like, nah, my passion's really singing or rapping. And, like, honestly, you just gotta be like, no, but you know what? You're really, really good at this. Like, yo, you're amazing at this. And I really think you should give this another try. Be convincing. Like, because your friends are out here really just, like, embarrassing themselves. Because me, personally, I had to be very honest with my friends. Like, if I had a friend I thought they were, like, the best drawer, I'm gonna be real. Like, you're not the best artist. Like, I really think you should pursue this. Because, like, you are amazing in this. You're not that good in this. So, starting 2019, let's be honest. Because guess what? Everybody be like, I want someone to keep it 99 plus 1 with me. I want it 100. So let's be honest with our friends. Let's be 100 with our friends. Because baby, a lot of your friends are not singers or rappers. They don't even get me started on people who think they can dance. But guys, thank you for watching. And if you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, also guys, hit that bell. That bell. What that bell? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. Woo! Thank you for watching, guys. Mwah! Until next time.